Hey, what's up guys? My name is Cameron Gallagher from We Are Film, and today I have a tutorial for you that is pretty simple, and it is how to enable collaboration mode in Davinci Resolve. This is for 17. A couple things you need to know before you do this, because I guarantee you're going to get some questions in the comments. So first of all, you have to have Davinci Resolve Studio. So obviously if you are on the basic version, you can do quite a bit, but you can't do the collaboration mode. And the other thing is you have to have a NAS setup or some type of network attached device. And the thing about that is you also have to have the projects set up there. Now, I might do a video about how to set this up in the future. So if you want to see that video, let me know down in the comments below. But basically, once you have your NAS set up, your network attached storage, and then you have Davinci Resolve running on a project database on that NAS, and obviously you have another computer connected, you can start the collaboration process. So what the collaboration allows you to do is for two editors or colorists or many different people to work inside of one project and to be able to obviously just work together. So you can see up here in this right hand corner of this project that there's this little multi-user kind of avatar button up here. And that is because this project is in collaboration mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new project here. So again, I'm in the NAS. I'm not going to show it because it has our address in there, but I am on the NAS project database. So I'm going to click this. I'm just going to go, let's see, collab. So this project is now open and I can, edit as normal. But what you want to do is go down to the home button here, click on that, and then right click on the project and click enable collaboration. And it says this project is modified since it's open, would you like to change, blah, blah, blah. Say yes. Now you can see these little people pop up, and that means that collaboration mode has been enabled. Now, what the main difference is that you can do, obviously between the several people working together, is you also get these two little icons down here, which include your people. So in my case right now, obviously it's just me, so it's just Cameron. But once Zach were to open this project, he can also change his name on here, and he can change the color of his icon. And they also have the chat. And this thing's actually really handy because you can easily say like, hey, or I probably wouldn't write hey, but 136, like remove, picture of person. Oops, spelled picture wrong. Let's do remove picture. And it can show who wrote it, when it was written, and then obviously our comment, and then shows our icon. So if you have several different people inside of a project, you can easily all see what everyone's doing. And there's a lot more to collaboration mode, but I just wanted to really show you how you can easily set up the collaboration. Again, you have to have the NAS, you have to have Studio, the Studio version of Resolve, and you have to obviously have multiple devices connected. And once you get all that, you're good to go. That's a lot of in-depth stuff, so I wouldn't mind doing a tutorial on that, but I gotta say, I'm not like a networking specialist, so I don't want to give a ton of, I don't want to say false information, but information that may be very specific to mine. There are a lot of great tutorials out there on how to do things, and honestly, one of the easiest ways is to get your NAS set up and then reach out to Davinci Resolve's customer support team and kind of ask and let them go through some things. It's really not that bad. There's just, you have to be a lot of attention to detail. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.